Hey, what is up YouTubers? It's Cody Carpenter here from the YouTube channel Cody Knows, and in today's video we're going to be going over part 10 of the affiliate marketing for beginners full case study. And in this video we're just going to be doing a recap, a summary, and then my final thoughts for this campaign, and then what my plan is to do next. So the first thing that I'd like to highlight is that there is a lot of potential here with this campaign. The search volume is definitely there. We got so many impressions over the last 3 or 4 days, and even with a cheap bid of like 40 to 50 cents, we were still maintaining an average position of around 1 to like 1.4 or 5. So that tells me that there is potential. There's a lot of people searching about dog stuff, dog training, etc., and we can get a campaign profitable if we change up our style, because direct linking is just to test offers to see if there's any potential. That's the first point. And the second point, we are getting some cheap clicks. I took another screenshot of the dashboard in my Bing Ads or Microsoft advertising account, and our average cost per click was 41 for the manual phrase ad group, and that's where we got the biggest, that's where we spent the majority of our budget. The affiliate page keywords, we were getting 30-cent clicks, and then Bing suggested ad group, we were getting 36-cent clicks. And that is awesome. And like I said, look at the average position. Anywhere from 1 to 1.84, and 8 out of 10 quality scores for every ad group, with 115,000 impressions in a total of 3 days, because it was like a half day Friday, half day today, then 2 full days Saturday, Sunday. So like 3 full days, and we got that many impressions. So I'm excited to go into the next round of this campaign, which is creating an email opt-in page. If you remember the case study part 2, the affiliate resources section, there was an option for us to use an ebook so that we could collect name and emails and then promote the ClickBank offer through autoresponders. And I got a picture of that ebook right here. So it's called the Airplane Game. So my plan is to just take this ebook, create a nice simple landing page, and say download this book, give me your name and email, and then click submit. And then let me just zoom out here. We'll do a email submit thing right here. They're gonna give us their name, their email, they're gonna click submit. We're gonna get that information, and that's gonna be our name and email forever until they unsubscribe, if they ever do. But that's how you build long-term value. So this will be the landing page. And then once they do that, they'll end up on a thank you page where we let them download that ebook for free. So they'll just download it, and it'll just be a simple PDF, And then once we have the name and email, we can set up an autoresponder series. I use GetResponse for my email marketing software, but we can use an autoresponder series to follow up with them. Maybe the first email we'll say, hey, download your free book. The second one, maybe like a last chance to get that ebook that they wanted. And then, like the third, fourth ones, fifth, all the way up till 7, we'll be promoting the offer again. And I think that'll be the way to go about it, because we were getting order form impressions direct linking. If we can provide value by giving someone the Airplane Game, a free book, and then we send out the offer, like we already gave them something, so in return they can purchase the dog training offer, and it's only 47 bucks. So that might work. I'm gonna definitely do that for my advanced training members. So the email opt-in, that is going to be my next move, and I'm gonna be starting to work on that later today. And then before I get into the last point, I also want to point out that I have 2 more case study videos. If you guys got some value out of this ClickBank and Bing Ads case study series, then you will love the Bing Ads direct linking case study videos with the MaxBounty offer. This part $160 on day 1 video, we picked a MaxBounty offer called Tinnitus 911. And we end up getting it to $160 in sales on the very first day it got approved. And then I recorded another video on day 5, and we were able to get the campaign to 240 and 80 and a total of 640 in just 5 days direct linking. So if you like these types of affiliate marketing case study videos, we'll have a link to this case study in the description below. It should be the very first link in the description below this video. So definitely go check these out, and we'll get back to this. And then final thoughts, and this is just in general, keep testing offers. At the very beginning of this case study, I made it very clear that maybe only 30 to 50% of my campaigns that I create with Bing ads will ever get profitable, and even that might be highballing it. I'm constantly testing offers, tracking everything, seeing what's working, focusing my budget in the winning aspects of every campaign. So testing is key. So yeah, that is the wrap up of this affiliate marketing for beginners case study. I hope you guys learned a little something throughout these 10 videos. And if you did, I would appreciate it if you would like these videos, comment that you got some valuable information. Let me know that you like seeing these types of case studies, because these case studies do take a long time for me to do. So I hope everyone appreciated it and got some value from this case study. Again, it would have been nice if I got some sales, but who knows, once I set up this email opt-in for my advanced training members, maybe we'll be able to get more sales because we'll be following up with the users using autoresponders. And lastly, if you are not subscribed to this YouTube channel, smack that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay up to date with all my future videos, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.